Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. Today we will learn how to create and maintain the project on GitHub. Okay, so we will do the basic things. We will perform this task in this video. First of all, we will create a project. We will create a Django project. You can create any of project in any technology. Okay, we will create a Django project and app, and then we will create that project repository and maintain that project. We will create a Git software in the second step. In the first step we will create a project. In the second step we will download the Git software. In the third step we will create an account on the github.com and create a new repository. Okay, in the fourth step we will push our local project that we have created. We will push our local project to the GitHub repository, and then after that we will maintain that project. It means whenever we change, we will push that project to the repository. So these are the tasks that we are going to do in this video. So let's start to do. So first of all, we need to create a project. So Django start project, Django admin start project. This is a gym system. Okay, so this is my next project after completing the e-commerce website in Django. So this is my next project. I will not do any functionality. I will just show you the demo for this project. Okay, so now I have created the project. Now I will go to the go to in this project and create simple app manage.py start app main. Okay, so here I have created the app. So now we need to download the Git software. So what I will do here, we will go to the download Git. So here we will download the Git. So you can simply download the Git according to your operating system. Okay, so I have already downloaded this. So what I will do here, so I have already downloaded this. So now uh, the third step is we need to go to the github.com, and then we need to create a account. If you are new to GitHub, then you need to create an account. I have already created an account, and I have a like a 16 repository in this. So what I will do, we need to create a new repository. So I will go to the new repository here, and we will create the repository. So repository means GitHub that maintaining the particular project. Okay, so so here it is loading. Oh yeah, okay. So now we will define the project name gym management system in Django 3, Bootstrap 5 and PostgreSQL. Okay, and I will tell the description. You don't need to do any of the things. You just need to define the description and create a new repository. Okay, so I have created a new repository. After creating that, they will show you that which step you need to follow. Okay, we will follow this exact step, but just skip the branch system because we are not creating any branch. We will maybe we will create another video for the branch system, but in this video I will create a simple project, and I will push that I will push the project in the master system. Okay, so we need to create a we need to follow this command. So the first command is git initiate. So assure that you are in a project, then we will just git initiate. So it will initiate the git folder. Then after that you need to git add here. So here we have, it means we have added all the project file in the git folder, and after that you need to define the remote origin, that is where you want to push the project. So here we have a remote origin, so git add remote origin. Okay, here we have defined that. And the fourth step is, before pushing anything you need to define the detail that what you are going to push in the repository. So this is gym system. Okay, this is gym system, and after that I have defined the commit, and after that you need to git push origin master. Okay, so it will push the project in the defined URL. Okay, so here it will ask you the username and password, and it will pop up the window. I will not fill anything in the window, but it will ask in the console here. So I will add the username, sorry, code artisan lab code artisan lab, and then code, whatever I have a password, I will fill that. Okay, so so my repository has been pushed on the remote origin. If I refresh the page, here you can see that. Okay, so my project is now on repository. I have pushed the project from the local system to remote origin, okay, from the command line, okay, with the help of Git software. Now we have completed this four tasks. If you are creating a new repository, then you have to following this command, these 5 commands: git initiate, git add, okay, and then git remote add origin, and you have defined the URL, and after that git commit. You have to define git commit minus m and detail of the project, and after that you have to define git push origin master. Okay, so now we have created the new repository. Let's say we have a project and we have changed something, like we have a project gym system, and I'll open this settings.py file, and I have added the app in the project level setting.file. Okay, now we have changed this. We need to push this on a remote repository. So what I will do, git add. We don't need to initialize the repository again, and just git commit, add here, added the app, okay, added the main app, and then after that we need to define git push origin master. Just 3 steps. If you have already linked with the remote origin with and your local system, then you not just define the 3 commands, okay, and whenever you will push, it will ask you the username and password. So git artisan lab, code artisan lab, and here we will define the password, this password. Okay, so we have pushed our existing changes. It means this is step for maintaining the project. We are just doing the basic things. There are lots of command, lots of things in the git system. We are just doing the basic thing for creating the repository and maintaining that repository. So when you refresh the page, you can see that we have a 2 commits, and when I have pushed this commit, and when you go to the commits and you can click on the system, it will show you that what I have changed in that file. Okay, so it will show it will show everything. Okay, so this is the basic idea that how we are maintaining the project on the git system. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you have any query, any thoughts, then please add in the comment section. And this is a dark mode. You can activate the light mode, or you can activate the light mode also. You need to go to the settings. As I'm saying that there are lots of things in the git, you can explore that. Okay, I will go to the appearance, and I will go to the here. This is a default light. I will activate this will activate the default light system, and but I will prefer to dark. Okay, so here we have created this basic idea that how we can maintain and create the system. Let's add these commands. Let me add this command. We need to just add these commands for maintaining the project. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, like this channel, and please I hope you are enjoying this series. Sorry, you are enjoying this video, and I hope you are enjoying this e-commerce series. So add your thoughts also about the next project. I will prefer to create a gym management system. You can add the idea in this project same also, and you can add our your any project ideas or anything in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.